Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to bold text into your Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to bold your text into Slack, just simply open your Slack application and open your chat at first. Then after going into the message section, just simply type anything that you want to bold, and then after that you just simply have to select the text that you want to bold, and then you can see this B icon into here. Just simply tap into that and then your text will be bolded successfully. Then click to send and your bold text will be sent into your messages. By following this very easy step, you can easily bold any of the text into your Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.